today, not your typical plumbing service call. We have a no cool. The air handler runs, but I'm getting nothing but a buzz out of this thing. I have my suspicions already, but being just a plumber, I'll open it up, take a look, see if I can figure it out, or do I need to call tech support or one of the real AC guys. Don't even have my tools. I got my little house bag today. It's Monday and a holiday. This type of video is more cook style over an anti-DIY. Capacitor swollen, rusted all to hell. Let's see what size it is. Make a short drive to the office and see if I got one laying around. Might have one of them and one of those laying around. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick ride. Be right back. One capacitor change. There you go. I'll head inside, take a look at the indoor unit, go grab the vacuum, suck the condensate line, see how much crud I get out of that.